thing we're going to do is take our chia seeds and our dates and soak both of them in our almond milk. You can use any other plant-based milk that you like, just divide it evenly. And we're going to set this aside for 5 minutes or so. We're basically making a chia egg and we're soaking our dates so they're nice and soft. If your dates are super hard, you might need to soak them for much longer. So it completely depends on the dates you use. Here I have melted my dark chocolate. I'm going to add ground linseeds, vanilla extract, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. I love to use Himalayan salt as it adds a lot of vitamins in there and minerals. You then want to mix everything together very nice and gently, and this process is pretty quick. You can just use your fork or spoon. Don't need anything fancy. Then place your soaked dates with milk in a food processor or a blender and blitz until it is completely smooth. You want to make sure that you have no big bits of your dates there, so they're all nice and pureed, just like this. You're then going to add this mixture into your dry ingredients and then just scoop everything out. Then you're going to add your chia egg. So your chias have bloomed already. So just add your milk with chia seeds right in there. And then we're going to mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. So just make sure you incorporate all your ingredients and the mixture will be quite nice and runny. Very, very delicious, super healthy, chocolatey, and oh my God, it's going to taste incredible, I promise you. So mix everything together. You can do everything in one bowl. You can use a spatula as well to make sure you get through the ends and mix all of the ingredients together. You want to make sure that everything is mixed thoroughly and there's nothing on the side or the bottom. Divide the mixture between 2 rings and pour the batter inside. Then spread it out with your spoon so it's nice and even. We're going to bake these. Once they're done, they're going to look like this. We're going to leave them to completely cool down. Once they cool down, you will see it'll be much easier to take it out of the mold, and you want to cool them down even more. And I just want to show you how these delicious sponges look. They're so moist and soft.